Your fuel tanks can pose many problems when they begin to rust. In many cases, the tanks are not repairable and you'll need to purchase a new one. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 through 77 Oldsmobile Cutlass and 442 fuel tanks. Our fuel tanks follow OEM dimensions for a perfect fitment without having to modify your car. True to originality, all tanks follow the corresponding year, correct gallons, and also offer tanks with and without necks where applicable. You can purchase these in 3 different options to suit your needs. The galvanized tanks feature a double-sided zinc coating for corrosion resistance. All seams and components are copper brazed for increased strength and durability, while a powder-coated finish is applied to each brazing area as an added layer of protection. The Ni-Terne Steel or Terne-Sheet Tanks feature a double-sided zinc-tin alloy coating for superior resistance to rust and corrosion. Featuring added shine, these tanks are soldered with tin to reduce or eliminate the possibility of cracks and leaks found in other tanks. The stainless steel tanks are stamped to factory specifications using 304 stainless steel sheet, and these provide the ultimate in appearance and corrosion resistance. Each tank is tin soldered to prevent cracks and leaks. All nozzles and provisions for hoses are welded in the factory locations for authenticity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. More information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.